Hello friends, we are out here at 7636 Chablis Cir in Navarre, Florida, 32566. This is in the Vineyards neighborhood, Navarre. Take a quick peek around. It's in right here in the corner of the loop. Cutie patootie house for you today. Take a look inside. We enter into our formal dining space here. Big, bright, friendly windows. This home was built in 1999. To the left there, just upon entry, that's also entry to your one-car garage and a coat closet. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. So we have bedroom number 1. This is an additional. Down the hallway. And here we are in the first bathroom. This is a full bath, shower tub combo. We also have laundry inside. There's your laundry closet, HVAC, gas heating, gas water heater as well. Big kitchen, pantries here to the left. We've got kitchen island. It's horseshoe shaped, tons of prep space, cabinet space, stainless appliances. Overlooking the living room. Got the wood look flooring, the wood laminate on the floor here. Electric fireplace. That brick hearth. Slider doors, we'll get back there. And master bedroom. So master bath, shower tub combo with a extra wide soaker, garden tub, single vanity, and walk-in closet. This home is sitting at a square footage of 1114, so 1,114 square feet. Take a peek in the backyard. The yard is regularly maintained by the homeowner. Nice shady popcorn tree over to the left. Privacy fenced on most sides. Chain link towards the back where we've got just this little greenscape. No neighbors immediately to the back there. And a plentiful patio here for your grill and your dining or conversation set. So again, we are at here, 7636 Chablis Cir in Navarre, 32566. Cutie little home. Y'all come see for yourselves.